Want to make sure your subfloor is clean and there's no protrusions, nail heads, screw heads sticking up, anything like that. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your black gold panels and lay them out to fit in your space. In this case, we just have the one panel here, but if you had multiple panels fitting in your room, you'd get them all laid out and make sure they fit. If they don't fit, give us a call on our service line and we will talk to you about how to modify stuff to make it work if possible. It's not always possible, but if it's possible, we'll help you through it. Once you're happy with how everything fits, then we're going to test the panels. So to do that, we're going to use our multimeter to check our resistance between the white and the black wires. On our product tag on the back here, we've got our resistance. In this case, it's 720 ohms. We want to be within 10% of that. In this case, we're getting 726 ohms. So, or actually 0.726 kilo ohms, which is 726 ohms, which is perfectly fine. So once we've got that done, we are ready to figure out where we're going to put our temperature sensor.